Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ula pelat pai ba ya ka Yacht ni ka ling ke bala ai keteng ka Meghalinor ke beningkong ha ke Jelah hapok ke pung Umiam. Ha ke di ke program laya dan lang Menteri Ketenat Tourism uba Polingdo, Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Vijay Kumar D, Director Ketenat Tourism uba CV Dingdo obat kiwei. Haba keren ha kejing yelang Myntri Rangbah ula ong ba kejing Pyllait ya kani ka Yacht. Kalong ka badon jing mut na markawan ra lang ya kejing penyaso ya ki artali ki benta ba kongsan jong ka sorkar. Kata ka kam jungok kai bat ka kam yele kai sports. Ka banwan ra ya kejing kata ka bakraw. La ka de ka kam jungok kai ne ka kam yele kai sports. Ni don ya ki jing tumu bat ka thong. Bat ru ka jingyo I ka bakham jingai, ban tau ya kilat kamai kaji, bat ai kam ai jam, da ka ba pai khmat kerpang syaki samla halor ka ka bangile. Bat kani ka program menta ka sengi ka de ka ba penyasok lang ya kini baro ula benram. Ula benram banamar hadu sanpo pesen na kinong syong ka Meghalaya, ki de ki badon hapok ka arpos nemrta, kum taru na kaliang ka sorkar kan hab ban perkhat janai ha ka ban penbit penbiang ya ki jinon kam jong kini ke samla bat ong ngi hab ban bu ya kanong rim na ka bentak jongki knang bangin la ban penyo haki ya ki lat ki kabu haki snam ki banwan. Nalor kata ula ong bakapung Umiam kampat syam layo ya ki lat ki kabu ki bapura bat na kaliang ke sorkar kala sedang ya ki sinjam beper kum ka water sports ni ki jingale kai ha ki jing Yakop Kingling hapung Umiam nalor ka jingkin tiu ha ka bay David ki jing tay ban penlong ya kapung Umiam kum ka way na ki resort ka babyang tam ha ka than lamingi jongkari. Kani ka sinjam ka barit Henry ka bakongsan menta ka sengi kan penbahaya ka jing ya kendu baro ka way hapadeng kinong wan Shanghai ki jongi Henry kani ka day tam ka jing sedang ulaong.
We are here at the launch of the Meghalinor. It's the first yacht to be commissioned here at Umiam, and this is in fact one of the initiatives by the tourism department to upscale the overall experience for the tourists who come to our state. It also has got elements of sailing in it, so therefore our youngsters and the youth also are very excited about it. And this is going to be part of a series of many other yachts and cruises that we plan to bring here to enrich the experience for the tourists who come from outside. So we're very happy, looking forward to it, and we're going to go towards the yacht now.
Haba ai ka jingero ikinong yelek kai ki balawan ra ya kanam ka burom ya ka jela ha ka National Games ka bala dep ha ka jingakop kayaking bat canoeing ula benra ba ka pung Umiam kala banlong ka jaka pedeng na ka benta ki jingelek kai water sports ha ka jela.
Because I've always believed that sports is to a large extent very important part is discipline. And I think I've set the wrong example to you by coming 1 hour late for this program. But it was very nice of all of you to have waited for us to be part of this very, I should say, important and a very symbolic moment. And as correctly mentioned by Dr. Vijay, that for us, this is a journey. And along the way, many events, many programs, many initiatives are being taken. And we have planned this journey and we know the destination where we want to get to. And we have charted out a long process. And today's event is very much a part of that entire larger vision and the goal and the destination that we have in mind. But as they always say, the journey is more important than actually finally reaching the destination. And therefore, today's program, though small in terms of the numbers and the different activities, but it's a very meaningful program. And the main reason for that is that this is bringing in two very critical areas for us as a state government, that is tourism and sports. And this event is actually bringing the two of them together and allowing us to bring out more and having a final result that will have a much bigger impact than the individual verticals themselves. And hence today, whether it is tourism, whether it's sports, we have got great targets and goals and plans that we have in mind. And as we work towards achieving those goals, many programs are being done. And as I said, today's program is a great example of two verticals, which is sports and tourism coming together, which is again very important sector for us. Umiam, as you know, has been something that has not really reached its true potential when it comes to the development of tourism. And as you're aware, we are doing many things apart from the entire sailing and using the different water sports in Umiam. You're aware that we are developing and creating large infrastructure. So where we are right now, this and the section next to us, we will be developing this into most probably one of the best resorts in the entire eastern region. And we are planning to put up a very high-end resort out here. The process is already on. I think in about a month's time we should have the developers on board, and hopefully in about 2 years to 3 years time we should be seeing one of the best resorts in the entire eastern region, and maybe one of the best in the country, coming up right here in this zone that we are seeing in front of us, which will again, as I said, build up the overall value and experience and unlock the true potential that is there